Beach Pomni became a viral phenomenon, sparking countless memes and fan art of Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus standing by the shore. The now famous Beach Pomni frame was initially teased in a live stream thumbnail for Glitch's upcoming showcase on October 9th, 2025. Once the thumbnail dropped, it rapidly spread across X and TikTok, fueling fan art trends and meme formats. Another viral moment linked to the trend was "I'm turning into Pomni," where Justin from Lankybox dramatically pretends to morph into the character. Or a fan-favorite frame shows Pomni mid-bite, frozen in a hilarious pose from the Amazing Digital Circus teaser. This level of detail was made possible through advanced animation softwares and the dedication of Glitch's production team. Autodesk Maya was the backbone for modeling and animating the Amazing Digital Circus, while Unreal Engine handled real-time rendering. The production pipeline also involves other software for different tasks, such as using custom animation curves within the engine and potentially other tools for post-production and effects. From Disney to DreamWorks, Maya has long been the go-to tool for building and animating blockbuster visuals. Shows like Arcane, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, and The Simpsons were all brought to life using Maya's animation toolkit. One of Maya's core tools is polygonal modeling, where vertices, edges, and faces combine to form detailed 3D structures. Maya's NURBS modeling allows for ultra-smooth curved surfaces using non-uniform rational B-splines, ideal for sleek designs. It's great for building rounded, natural-looking forms like character limbs or mechanical parts. Finally, using Maya's sculpting features, designers can bring subtle details to life through a natural brush-based process. In short, Beach Pomni is another image that stands out in meme culture for its unique character design and the show's overall reputation, further cementing it as a staple for both meme and animation enthusiasts. What meme should I break down next? Let us know in the comments down below.